Hey, this is Jeeps Rock. As you can see behind me, I have a background or a backdrop of what I'm going to talk about today. And these are going to be the side bags here on either side that you can put in your Jeep. But what I want to show you is those are nothing like groundbreaking, but what is groundbreaking is what we're talking about with our GoTreads, and I'll show you why in just a second. But as you see behind me, I have a setup right now of all like my kitchen utensils, my cooking setup, and then I just have my miscellaneous, like my, even, everybody has zip ties and stuff, but sometimes they're hard to find. But we have all our zip ties, our one ties, we have our tools. But that's again where I come back to the GoTreads, and the reason I want to show you that is because with these side bags, there's also a zipper on the side that you can get to from the back side of the rear seats. So what you can do is I can turn this to the side, and now you can see I have a side pack right here with even more storage. But if I unzip this, you'll notice I have yet another set of GoTreads. So I can put not one, but both of my two GoTread recovery tracks right here. And I can zip that up. And again, that'll be on the side, but you can see that it's still not sticking out the side. I can zip it up. And then I have all of my recovery gear on one side and I have all my cooking stuff on this side. Since I mentioned about the cooking side, we also can go on our side here that we talked about. And inside, we have like our plates. We have some more magnets for some more of our gear that we have when we're cooking on the side outside. But again, we've got our plates here. And then it's like the never-ending bag here. Then we have another bag that we use, and we've been using this for over a year now from Overland Gear Guy, and it has all of our gear that we use. And again, this is another, we've got it to where it's got a MOLLE system, but if we open this up, it has even more of our cooking utensils, like our can opener, our lighter, a ladle, just a lot of stuff in here, and even like a cooking knife. But we can zip that up when we're done, throw it inside here, throw our plates in there. And the last thing I'll show you is how these attach. Again, they're going to go on either side of the rear roll bars. And what it has is just a whole bunch of buckles. As you go down, you just start from the top. There's 3 on the top, and there's 3 more on the side that we can secure them very well. We've gone off-road with these for quite a few times. Nothing has moved, but what's nice is once this is on the side and zipped up, you can see how easy it is just to get to our cooking gear versus it hanging on the outside. Also not getting dirty from being even on a tailgate. So we can just pull these out with elastic, and we have our cooking utensils and stuff at the ready. So this is, again, these are side bags, and they come from Suparee, which is a really good company. These, again, are done really well. I've looked at all the stitching and stuff. I don't see any problems with it. And again, one more time, on the front, we have all these different bags. These are all stuff where you can put all your stuff, but then you have zippers on the front, Velcro for even more pockets. So there's just a lot of space, and depending on what you're looking for, this is definitely going to take care of everything. Again, we have our cooking stuff, and we have even recovery stuff on the other side. And again, out of our way, giving our stuff complete open with nothing underneath. So it's got a lot of options for us, and we're really excited to use those next year in 2022. Thanks again for watching Jeeps Rock, and we'll see you out on the trail.